Happiness is not by chance, but by choice. Every day, life presents us with choices. We can stay where we are, waiting for circumstances to change, or we can make the decision to create the future we truly want. The happiest people aren't necessarily the ones with the easiest lives. They're the ones who choose growth over comfort, opportunity over excuses, and action over fear. They understand that success isn't something that happens to you, it's something you build, one decision at a time. What if one choice today could completely change the direction of your future? Imagine helping families and businesses reduce an expense they already have every month while building a business that pays you recurring residual income month after month. Instead of convincing people to spend more money, you're creating real value by helping them save on something they already use every single day: energy. That's the power of building with TruPowur. You'll have access to industry-leading tools, proven systems, professional training, and the support you need to build a business designed for long-term growth. Every customer you help has the potential to become another step toward greater financial freedom, more flexibility, and a future that's built by your choices, not your circumstances. Because the life you've always wanted doesn't begin when you're lucky enough to find it. It begins the moment you decide to create it. So, if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.